Out there in internet land. We got a couple decisions to make today. But first off, we're gonna fix this base plate. Well, not so much base plate as it is adapter plate to go from a spread bore to a square bore. There was a bolt right here like this. If you look at that one, it's not far from stripping itself. It's stripped. So I had to take and go buy new bolts. Had to buy 4 bolts. Anyway, I bought 4 bolts. I'm gonna change them out. I need a new gasket. I think I can get away with it for a little while. And I'll bring y'all back in a minute. So, I got the bolts in the plate, got the carburetor back on. I gotta buy a belt. But, I'm fixing to go out back. I messed with something that I have not messed with in a very long, in a very long time in my life. That would be a single cylinder, Briggs & Stratton, 5 horse. I bought a coil. I said it was supposed to fit it. Transmission's trying to take me out. And the property next to us got cleared. They're supposed to be putting a house over there. I hope they like the junkyard. Oh God, my life. Anyway, this is an old Montgomery Ward tiller. And we're gonna see if we can make the motor run. I got a compressor that I need to make work. Yeah, these little engines right here are what I got my start on working on vehicles with. Now, I thought this was a points setup on here, but maybe just the coil was bad. I couldn't get it to spark last time. I gave it a shot. So, it's got this stuff wrapped all around it. Anyway, Briggs & Stratton, 5 horse, vertical engine. It's not a Honda style motor. But I just think it's so cool. It's a Montgomery Ward rototiller. Why somebody would take and put it in the garbage, it's beyond me. Guess people just don't value stuff anymore. So, alright guys, I'll come back to y'all when I get this coil off. Well, apparently this is the updated new version of the Briggs & Stratton 5 horse coil. Like I said, I haven't worked on them in years, and I guess this is just the new standard of stuff. Looks completely different. Might last a little longer, might not. Might put out a hotter spark, might not. The carburetors, I gotta order one of them. They ain't but 15 bucks. So, or I might be able to take this one apart and clean it. I don't know. Depends on what it looks like inside this gas tank. It don't look too bad in there. It might work. Alright. Let me finish this up. Alright, y'all. So, the recoil spring was broke, so I took the recoil apart. So, this is a part that would be down in there. Means this part would sit on the crankshaft. Goes on here like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and wrap me some wire around there, and I'm going to pull the cord and see if I have any spark. I wish I could set you up where you could see it, but that's kind of a booger, especially with the recoil being broke. If the recoil wasn't broke, I could put the cover on and yada yada yada. So, I don't know, I might be able to figure out something. Y'all just hold on now. Make this work. Oh, I saw a spark. I don't know if y'all saw it, but I saw it. Okay. So, wonder if that plug's any good. Guess I could always get a little gas and splash in the carbonator. I might just do that. Give me just a second. Find out if the spark plug's any good. God! I keep stepping on this recoil cover. I need to put it up, I guess. Rewrap this. There ain't no telling how many years this thing's been sitting. So, what I'm gonna do is, y'all are probably gonna think I'm crazy, but I tried this on something a while back, this octane boost here, and it started it. So we're gonna pour a little octane boost in there. And I'm not even joking this time. This ain't like the Febreze joke or none of that. Come on, man. Ugh. Fixing to have to put that up. I feel like I'm gonna lose everything, so. Alright. Yeah! Y'all are probably gonna call bullshit. That's the first time I attempted that shit. That thing ran good. Why y'all gonna scrap shit like that, man? Why do people scrap shit like that? That made my day. Y'all have a good one now. Oh man, why do people scrap shit like that? That's gonna be our shut off. It's a ground to ground out the spark plug wire and cut it off. That's old school technology there for you. What we're gonna do is, I just fired it up without y'all and tried running it off the carburetor. It ran. It fucking ran. So, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna rewrap the recoil deal here so I can pull the starter rope and show you. Looks like we do have a leak at the spark plug. So, are you kidding me? Oh, you bitch. You bitch. I know you did not just do that. Okay, I guess we're going to have to juice it up. Okay. Y'all hold tight. Y'all watching? Y'all still watching? Alright, open the choke up. This is not a lie. God knows how long it's not been since it ran. Watch. How does that work? Make shit right, guys. Y'all have a good one.